Ever wondered why your favorite reading corner feels a little damp, or why that patch on the wall never seems to dry? This, dear friends, is the dampness dilemma, a common issue in buildings worldwide. Dampness is not just a cosmetic concern. It can undermine the structural integrity of your building, and more importantly, it can affect your health. So, you may ask, how can we tackle this dampness problem? Well, don't go anywhere. Stick around to find out. Before we dive into the solutions, we need to understand the causes of dampness. Let's begin with ground moisture. This is simply water present in the soil that can seep into building foundations if not properly managed. Then we have condensation, which occurs when warm, moist air comes into contact with a colder surface, causing water droplets to form. Next, we can't overlook leaks. Whether from plumbing or the roof, water can find its way into the smallest of cracks, causing dampness over time. Finally, poor ventilation can lead to a buildup of moist air within the building, contributing to dampness. It's crucial to understand that these causes often work in tandem, exacerbating the dampness issue in a building. Knowing these causes is the first step towards finding the right solution. And don't forget to subscribe to The-ManIkes channel for more content like this. Now that we know the causes, let's explore some civil engineering remedies for dampness. First on our list is improving ventilation. Ventilation is a powerful tool in reducing dampness. It allows for a constant flow of air, which helps in drying out damp areas. This can be achieved by installing vents or fans in key areas of your building, like the basement or bathrooms. Next, we have moisture-proofing the basement. Basements are notorious for being damp due to their proximity to the ground. Moisture-proofing involves applying a waterproof membrane or coating to the walls, floors, and even the ceiling of the basement. This creates a barrier that prevents moisture from seeping into the building from the ground. The third remedy is repairing leaks. Leaks can be a major source of dampness. From cracked walls to leaking pipes, these issues need to be addressed promptly. Solutions can range from simple sealant applications to more complex repairs. It's essential to get these fixed as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Lastly, using dehumidifiers can be a great help. These machines work by sucking in air, removing the moisture, and then releasing the dry air back into the room. They are especially useful in areas that are prone to dampness, like basements and bathrooms. It's also worth noting that these remedies are not exclusive. They can and should be used in combination for the best results. For instance, while you're moisture-proofing your basement, you might also want to consider improving its ventilation. And while you're fixing leaks, it wouldn't hurt to have a dehumidifier running to speed up the drying process. Remember, these solutions are just that, solutions. They're not miracle cures. Dampness can be a stubborn problem, and it might take time and repeated treatments to fully resolve. But with patience, dedication, and the right approach, it can be managed. All these remedies can help you fight the dampness problem. But remember, it's important to take action at the right time. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through an enlightening exploration into the world of civil engineering, specifically focusing on the issue of dampness in buildings. We've unraveled the mystery surrounding this common problem and discovered its root causes. From defective construction and poor quality materials to condensation and rising damp, the culprits behind dampness are many. But we didn't stop at identifying the problem, we delved deeper to find solutions. We've learned that the civil engineering world offers a host of remedies to tackle this issue. From the use of quality materials and effective construction methods, to the implementation of damp-proof courses and proper ventilation, civil engineers have a toolkit full of strategies to combat dampness. We've also understood that these remedies are not just one-off solutions, but require continuous maintenance and regular checks. It's a step-by-step process, a journey, not a destination. In conclusion, dampness can be a dampener, but it's not an insurmountable problem. With the right knowledge and tools, we can ensure that our buildings remain dry, comfortable, and healthy. So, let's put what we've learned into practice. Let's make our buildings happier and our lives more comfortable. Remember, a dry building is a happy building, so say goodbye to dampness and hello to comfort. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to The-ManIkes channel for more enlightening content. Stay dry, folks!